HEC-Lausanne fête ses 100 ans en 2011 sous le signe du management responsable.
I'm professor of business ethics at the University of Lausanne, and I started in 2003 to teach and do research on that topic at HEC Business School. And when I started, there were no courses, no research, almost no research done on that topic. And now we have a mushrooming landscape of courses, of researchers across all programs, from bachelor to master to EMBA. Courses on business ethics have become obligatory. At the business schools, we have taught for decades that companies should focus on profits and the rest is treated by governments. But in the last 15 years roundabout, we have seen the rise of the so-called multinational corporation, which is linked to the fact that production activities have expanded globally. Which means that corporations are active in many places in the world. They dig resources in Africa, they produce cotton, or they buy cotton in Uzbekistan, or they have the assembly line in China. And due to this global expansion, they are more and more involved in local human rights problems and environmental problems. And since there is no global government to deal with these questions, it is loaded upon the corporations. And we at HEC-Lausanne, what we are doing is try to make sense of this new situation of global decision-making of corporations. So what do I do as a manager if I have human rights problems in my supply chain, if I have NGOs in front of my door accusing me of harm doing to others? How do I manage these things? And what are the limits, or what is this new scope of my responsibility as a corporation? We do this in our research, and we train future managers, our students, to be able to have already this broader horizon of looking at problems when they start in corporations, so that they're not surprised when they're asked to manage human rights or sustainability questions in general terms when it comes to management decisions.